guys, welcome back to Sarlina Entertainment. So today's video I'm gonna be doing unboxing video, so make sure you guys watch until end of this video. As you guys can see, I have two packages. All the items right here I ordered from Jollychic. Jollychic is the online store. I think Jollychic is from China. And let's just do unboxing my first package. So this one is the big one, and the other one is, you know, just I think it's 3 items inside. This package I order 6 items. So actually I already opened it. I open it because I just want to make sure all the items that I order complete. So okay, let's just do this. First item I order this one is the backpack bag. It's also have what you call that one, pattern here, and it's so cute. And inside also have compartment. You can also put it whatever you want, put it here or here, and right here, and also side, and this side, and also this side, and here too. What do you guys think? It's so cute, right? Okay, next item I order another bag. This one is crossbody bag. Color is black, and here, oh my god, it's so cute, right? And okay, here inside they also have a small pocket right here, and that's it. It's very simple though. Okay, next item I order, this one is canvas bag. The color is brown, and it's so simple, like you can wear it when you're doing the casual style or whatever. And okay, and from they said you need this one, take care of laundry. Okay, next item I order, okay, this one is not bag anymore, but I order these shoes, and oh my god, it's so pretty. The color is gray. The size is 39. As you guys can see, it's made in China. Brand is Fashion, I think. Yeah, I think it's Fashion. Yep. Next item, this one is skincare. So I order facial serum, and this one is hyaluronic acid. Brand is Sanana Beauty Skin. Next one I order also vitamin C facial serum, and the brand is Pretty Cowley. Another package, I only have like 3 items. The first one I order this one is case for my phone, and I ordered the green one. This one is for iPhone 7. Yes, and it's cute. Next I order this kind of needle. I think this one is not from Derma Roller or something, but this one, it's saying micro needle therapy system. So okay, next one I order, I order 4 facial serum, and these three is from Fromst. I think this one, yes. This one is vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and this one also vitamin C. And the next one is the brand is Pretty Cowrie. Yes, this one is vitamin C also. I didn't notice that one. I ordered, so I ordered 4, no, it's 5 of facial serum, and all this facial serum vitamin C, and the other one is hyaluronic acid. So that's it guys for today's video, and I hope you guys like it, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.